Okay, just power up, reset everything as per normal. This is my phone. Downloaded the software, switch on. Okay, as you can see, the alarm list, I try to link, say loading, and it say fail. Okay, I reset, I set up again, plus a new one, and go to auto link, but I need to set it over here. I go to, okay, set up. Okay, go to Wi-Fi. Okay, then adding. Okay, I go to adding. If I go there, I go back to here and I do adding. Okay, and key in the password. Okay, next. Okay, next. And it's linking, and also here I press this and this link, and this side also same. Okay, add device, configuration okay, here also okay. Okay, the configuration is okay, but when I try to go in loading, it gives you fail to buy. That's a problem.